Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin today, take 1 second and subscribe to CoinZF because the coin you're about to hear about is one that most people have spent without a second thought, and yet it carries a story that speaks directly to experience, patience, and the sharp eye of a true collector. If you were alive long before digital wallets and plastic cards, you remember when every coin in your pocket meant something. The weight, the sound, the feel. The 2006 Jefferson Nickel is one of those coins that quietly passed through millions of hands, especially in everyday life. 5 cents doesn't sound like much, but history has a way of hiding big stories in small places. And this coin is a perfect example of that truth. In 2006, the United States Mint in Philadelphia continued producing Jefferson nickels as part of the modern era of American coinage. On the surface, it looks simple. Thomas Jefferson on one side, Monticello on the other. But collectors know that simplicity is often where the deepest value hides. This was a period when the Mint was transitioning from earlier experimental designs back to the classic look that many older Americans recognize instantly. That return itself adds meaning, especially for collectors who value tradition and continuity. What makes the 2006 Jefferson Nickel fascinating is not just its design, but the era it represents. By this time, production numbers were high and quality control varied. Some coins were struck sharply, while others showed subtle differences that only trained eyes notice. These small details are what separate an ordinary pocket coin from a collector's prize. To a casual spender, it's 5 cents. To a seasoned collector, it's a conversation piece. Many men in the 55 to 65 age group remember rolling nickels at the kitchen table, checking dates under a lamp, or learning from a father or grandfather how to spot something special. The 2006 nickel connects directly to that tradition. It's modern enough to feel familiar, yet old enough now to be looked at with fresh curiosity. Time changes perspective, and coins are no exception. Condition plays a powerful role with this coin. A nickel that survived circulation untouched, with clean fields and strong detail, tells a different story than one worn smooth by decades of use. Collectors understand that preservation is everything. A coin kept safe, away from damage, holds its voice longer. That voice is what speaks at auctions, private sales, and serious collections. Another reason this coin captures attention is how overlooked it has been. While many chase older dates or flashy rarities, smart collectors know that overlooked coins often carry hidden potential. The 2006 Jefferson Nickel sat quietly while the world rushed past it. That silence is part of its appeal. It rewards patience, something every experienced collector understands deeply. This coin also reminds us that value is not only about age. It's about story, context, and survival. The Jefferson Nickel has been part of American life for generations, and the 2006 issue is a chapter in that long-running story. It represents stability in a changing world, a constant presence through economic shifts and cultural change. For collectors who appreciate American history, leadership, and legacy, Jefferson's image carries weight. Monticello on the reverse is more than a building. It's a symbol of vision, craftsmanship, and endurance. Holding this coin is like holding a small piece of that larger narrative. As we talk about coins on CoinZF, the goal is not just numbers, but understanding. Understanding why a coin matters, why it deserves a second look, and why it resonates with people who've lived long enough to see trends come and go. The 2006 Jefferson Nickel fits perfectly into that philosophy. And now, here is the moment many of you wait for, because stories and history are powerful, but value makes people stop and listen. Under the right conditions, with the right characteristics and collector demand, the Jefferson Nickel 2006 has been associated with a value reaching $40,003, proving once again that even a humble 5-cent coin can carry $1 million story when seen through the eyes of experience.